So let's work out how to use Zoom. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is put into Google Zoom and click on this first link. Okay, Zoom video conferencing, this is what we want. So once we're at this site, okay, there's two options. Now this is what I prefer you do. Up here where it says resources, what I want you to do is to download the Zoom client. So you'll click on that. And once it eventually loads, you'll be taken to this page. Zoom client for meetings, that's what you would like. So I want you to click download. Okay, and then you will install that onto your computer. Now the other option is simply just to click on join a meeting. So you either click on this or you would download and install it, and this would pop up. Now either or, it says to join. Now basically what we're going to need is a code. Now I will put these on course announcements. Now that gets emailed to you, as well as you can double check on course sites. So basically copy the numbers, okay, or click on the link that I provide you. Either or, doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to click on join. Now it's asking me for the meeting ID, so I will just paste that in and click on join. Now once that happens, you want to join with computer audio. And I'll just mute that. Yep, so you want to do that. So then basically, I'll go that down. I can see you guys. So basically what I then want you to do, okay, is to press stop video. Okay, very, very important. So it should be your name. Okay, but I don't want you to do the video. Now everyone's going to be unmuted at first. Now, in terms of the chat, if you click on this and put up a question, sir, I do not understand what an atom is. Okay, I can see that. Okay, and then I can answer you guys. If you guys would like to ask a question, you can unmute yourself and ask it. So what I would like you guys to be able to do, if you've got a question, just post it up initially into the chat. Okay, if I don't, for some unknown reason, get to it, then unmute yourself and ask the question. We're going to be using Zoom to check in, make sure you're understanding things, and you guys can raise any concerns that you have. So that's pretty much a summary of Zoom. As we use it more and more, you guys will get more used to it.